Well, I'm seeing that people are talking about this polygamist everywhere, social media, even here on YouTube. I've seen so many reviews of the show, but I don't want to review it. All I want to talk about is this guy, Stu Momchali, who was playing the character of Jonasi on that show. Guys, I think we can all agree by now to Stu Momchali uyibulele le character ngenu. I mean, why are you also convinced to Jonasi uyinja? Why are you also convinced to amadoda ezinja? More especially after that show. So I think it's time we give Stu Momchali his flowers. And on this video, that is exactly what I want to do. So let us talk about that and more. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed to the channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down it so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Now bafethu, I introduce to you uJonasi. Nangu ke uJonasi. uJonasi lo mjida lo ushadile namakhosi zawu-2 on the show for those who don't know, and uyaluthanda ucansi. He's everywhere, going around sleeping with everyone. Well, I even watched the show nami ngisabuka nje ama-teaser, looking at the reviews and stuff because ngisaphiza nomsebenzi, but that is what basically the character is about. uJonasi uthanda amantombazane waleshadile namakhosi zawu-2, and he's a real narcissist. Akanandaba noma kwenzakalani, noma ingane zakhe sezifika kuyena zikhala zamakhuluma naye akayingeni. There's this one scene that I saw, kana ke intombazane yafika kuyena izomncenga lapha ukuthi ukhulume naye. Baba ngithanda into yenza vela nyusa volume angamameli yonke lonto leyo, and akapheleli lapho. Ulala ne-girlfriend yengane yakhe umfana. Just imagine ukuthi ngizosuka mina ngiyolala ne-girlfriend yengane yami. Just imagine that. So this guy is so evil, and what I love the most about that is that wonke umuntu convinced ukuthi uloyo mjida loya uyinja ngempela, and that is what I love the most about this show, because if it wasn't for uJonasi, people would, if uJonasi, whoever played uJonasi, wasn't delivering, ngabo abantu abayikhonzanga le show ngale ndlela abayikhonze ngayo. So in a while since kuphume ishow eSouth Africa ithandwe ngale ndlela le, or is it because there's a feminist what angazi mhlawumbe iloko, but then mina I'm giving it to Stu Momchali. I mean, from him playing the character of uDonga laphayana, could see ukuthi this guy, you give him comedy, action, because yakhumbula action with number, he killed that action. Wabulala comedy lapha ama brothers keeper is uDonga. Also a character similar to that one, he played it on his tunes. He also killed that character. Also played the character of businessman. Like this guy, there's no character that he hasn't played yet. Kodwa wonke ama-character awadlalayo uyawabulala. So I think we just all need to raise our hand and say, Stu Momchali, you are the best. Just give the guy his flowers, ladies and gentlemen. So with all of that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of this video. So comment down in the comment section about this show. Not about the show, in fact, about Stu Momchali killing that character. So if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.